Let's jump then to Dekh Bhai Dekh. I think that is
Yeah,
first.
for after Jo Jeeta, some films, and then Dekh Bhai Dekh came. So Dekh Bhai Dekh, I was not very keen on doing television.
Why? Comedy?
Comedy नहीं, ऐसे टीवी क्या करना है ऐसा, लेकिन मैं तो फिल्म
अच्छा
वैसा ला टीवी वैसे. But then I felt कि चलो ये I'll just do one Jaya Bachchan's Banner and all that, and it was a good role. I thought I'll just do this one and not do it anymore after this. But then I realized the popularity of television. Majorly, I started, उसके पहले I could roam around in public transport, in buses and trains, but after Dekh Bhai Dekh started telecast, it was difficult. People used to recognize me.
And what would they do?
हाँ, they would ask me, ये पहले तो ये वही है क्या, बस में थोड़ी travel करेगा?
Oh shit!
And all that. People would come and ask me, वही है क्या, करीमा है वो क्या तुम? हाँ, ऐसे बस में जाकर किधर चेंबूर, मतलब चेंबूर हो.
सबसे worst line जो आते हैं is when they say I've seen you somewhere.
हाँ, और किसमें
हाँ, किसमें like you guess.
हाँ, पहले तो I have seen you somewhere तो चलो थोड़ा smile आता है. Thank you. किसमें काम किया? फिर यार जाओ यार तुम, वैसे.
Show respect.
That used to happen a lot.
Do research. Go online.
Yeah.
Before you go into a break, he was going to be a trained CA before he became one of the big actors of his generation. But let's check his CA skills. Sir, if I had 37 apples, 42 pears, 1 peru, 1 kalinga, and 15 bananas, and 4 of the fruit fell down and got smashed, how many are left? Devan, thank God you didn't do CA, यार.
Thank God.
मैं तो लगता कि ये नहीं था आपके लिए.
नहीं ना, मेरा नसीब नहीं था इसने.
नसीब, हाँ, fantastic, all good in the end.
क्या है ये सब fruit बनाना?
No double meaning. Office. Office, my favorite show. Probably very well written. Firstly, very important for comedy.
One of the very few satires that we know of. Like, very popular.
Superb, absolutely superb. What a team, yaar. Yeah. The team, I feel that's the best comic team that is assembled in India.
I agree.
And for sustained period of time, to be funny is not easy.
Yes.
One season, chalo, theek hai, 2 season, theek hai, but to continue, both from writing and acting point of view, and then the characters, one is better than the other. I mean, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
So tell us about your experience.
Like, Pankaj Kapoor sir and
अभी भी सर बोलना पड़ेगा.
संजय मिश्रा, all.
Devan, how can you call him sir now? You are a sir.
अरे नहीं,
सब लोग सर है अभी.
He's so senior and learnt a lot from him.
Sanjay Mishra. Crazy guy. Yeah. What timing, boss?
Yeah, super. We and Manoj and we had a superb team. And what writing. Like every episode, different offices, and we play different, I mean, same, I used to play Patel, but different Patel every time.
They did the Patel, fair.
So good, and Do Baatein wala, that thing. Really enjoyed.
So give us an idea of how you all prepare. Because I know in America with Seinfeld and those shows, they sit around a table, the actors, and they go through everything and they rehearse this, that and the other, well before they shoot. Then they come on set and then they just start shooting and they don't change too many things.
Kind of that.
3 camera setup bhi tha?
3 camera setups. So script was given to us, और बाद में we were given about an hour and a half or so to prepare. तो उसमें सारा तैयारी हो जाता था. And then we used to come every scene, मतलब 5-5, 6-6 पेजेस के भी सीन होते हैं, तो one go में हम लोग शूट करते थे. We used to rehearse a lot.
So do it like a play, because like it's one take basically. One take. All characters have to know their lines, know their movements, everything.
Correct.
And go.
Yeah, one shot. So 5-5, 6-6 पेजेस के one shot होते थे, और mostly first take में ही okay हो जाता था ऐसा. Because we used to rehearse a lot, reading बहुत करके. और ज़्यादातर सारे थिएटर से तो it helped.
Discipline. That's what I'm telling all the people who are making shows, don't do second take and third take. First take is, that. I think that's why the show worked also. There's very spontaneous performances.
Yes.
3, 4, 15, 20 take. I don't know how the actors do it sometimes. I'll do 42 takes for perfection. बहुत है भाई. Limit.
नहीं होता, but it also varies. Like, for example, Dekh Bhai Dekh we were talking about. तो उसमें the director had different kind of working style. So वहाँ पर हमारे बहुत टेक्स होते थे. मतलब
पॉजिटिव बात है या नेगेटिव बात है?
नहीं, पॉजिटिव ओनली, बट इट इज लाइक, it is very subjective.
Okay.